Hello and welcome back. This is Walid. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Envato Element templates just in few clicks. Why it's important? Envato Elements have more than 5,000 templates. That means 5,000 websites. They have many options like your agency, non-profit, e-commerce, whatever you want. You can build a website just in few minutes. So now I'm going to show you how to import the templates. As you can see, I'm now in my computer screen. And this is my website. It's empty. Now we have to install a plugins. If I go to the plugins, add new plugins, then we need to add Envato, the plugins name. This is the plugins. Simply install and activate. Actually, I'm using this Elementor because we will import the Elementor template. Okay, and for themes, you can use any themes. For elements, just scroll the elements, then simply install the kits. Then simply upload the template, your zip file that you downloaded from your Envato Elements or a theme forest. Anyway, I already downloaded this template. That's why I am just simply open. Okay, perfect. Now simply there have a attention. So we just install the requirements. Simply install the requirements. Perfect. All requirements are done. Then close. Then simply import the global kit style. So import. Perfect. So our global kit is downloaded. Now there have a option homepage, about us page, features, FAQ page, blog page, single post, contact us, pricing, header, footer, everything. Suppose we are importing the homepage. This is the home page. If I hover the pages, then simply open a new page. Let's import the home page. Then template should be full with publish. Then edit with Elementor. Okay, perfect. Let's skip it. Now by clicking here, you can see the template. Then simply insert the templates. Then it will import automatically. Just wait. Perfect. Our template is done. Then simply publish it. Let's visit the page. So as you can see, our home page is already import. Now if you want to change any content, any images, simply you can change. So everything is fine, and see there is a option header and footer. If you are using Elementor or free Elementor, then you have to install another plugins for header and footer. Simply this one, activate. So using this plugin, you can build the custom header and custom footer using Elementor. Now if you want to import the header or footer, then you can simply install a template. Then here should be header. Then you just need to activate it. Okay, then save changes. That's it. Before edit this header, you have to create the menus. Okay, before creating the menu, I'm adding the all pages. Not just all, actually I'm adding the other pages, about us page, services page, and contact us page. We'll create the menu and footer. Okay, if you need any Elementor template kit, simply like the video and comment with the Elementor template name. I will try to get you the Elementor template kit. Now let's add the header and footer. It's the same process and same way. Just I'm adding the heading, then simply publish, and I'm adding the footer same way. Footer, save changes, and import the footer. That's it. Just like that, you can design a website just in a few minutes. Then you are ready to go. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Comment below if you have any questions, any further assistance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.